Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. As a boss, sometimes we got to do something for our employees. And, I know pizza's not the best thing in the world for everybody, but I know my guys like pizza. So I went to probably the best pizza place in town here in Portland. Check this out, guys. Flying Pie Pizza. I'm going to open this up. We're going to cheat. Look at that. This is called the Miss Piggy. It's got everything on there. Then we're going to come over here to this other one here. I got two of them for them today. This one here is a combo. Look at that bad boy there. Oh my goodness. All that shadowing away there. Lovely. A lot of onion on there and stuff like that. But empty plates ready to go. So as soon as they get back from doing the job today, we're going to dig into some Flying Pie Pizza right here from Portland, Oregon. Hand tossed with love every day. At least that's what they say anyway. We'll get the guys' perspective on it and see what they think about it. Hang in there. All right, Steve, what do you think of that pizza from Flying Pie Pizza?
Flying Pie Pizza.
What do you
pretty
think?
Good.
Pretty good?
Yep.
For Friday?
For Friday.
Did the boss do well?
The boss did great.
You know I'm looking for brownie points.
He's the best boss in the world.
Oh yeah, there we go. What about you guys? Is that good pizza? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love it.
Smells great.
James washed his hands. He's the only guy here that washed his hands. Everybody else got the dirty hands. I love it. I got dirty hands too. But I tell you what, dirty hands, clean money. That's Fix a Fence LLC. You guys keep smiling. Have a great day.
God made dirt.